Hello internet friends. In this video I am going to be riveting the exhaust shroud top to the exhaust shroud sides. Is that a tongue twister? I think it was. I had to slow down there for a second to try to say that. And I only had beer like 6 hours ago. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm taking the fuel pump off so it's not in the way when I'm riveting these together. And then, like any good aircraft builder, I'm going to Clico every hole so it stays together, and then try to figure out which method I'm going to use to rivet these. Obviously, I think everyone's preference is a squeezer, at least everyone that's not a masochist. Squeezer won't work here because it just won't fit, and neither will the manual squeezer, so I ended up just using the normal rivet gun. And sometimes when I am reading the flying sub on Reddit, I see people comment, or new students say, hey, how do I meet airplane people? Well, here's the answer. Get a hangar, put an airplane in it, and just leave the door open. So my hangar neighbor JT, he was taxiing back. He came back from flying and he saw my door open, so we came out, or he came over and we chatted about RVs and building planes, and yeah, he offered me some Pro Seal that's probably expired, but I need it because at the end of the video you'll see my my firewall sealant is expired. But anyway, yeah, that if you want to meet airplane people, just get a hangar, open the door. Everyone will stop by and say hi. JT is building an RV-8, and so God bless all the 8 builders because they're basically building on hard mode. Now it's not hard mode compared to my hangar mates. I knew what that was a few hours ago, but anyway, his plans built airplane. God bless him, because I can barely manage to do something that's already pre-match drilled for me. Alright, so the other thing I got done at the hangar today was I put a little Google Nest out there, one of those little mini speaker things, so now I can control the lights with my voice. So I don't have to walk all the way over to the switch in the dark hangar to turn on the lights. I can just say, hey, turn on the lights, and it happens. So that's kind of cool. I don't know what else I could voice control in the hangar. I'll have to think about that. There might be something that, well, with the music, right? Music would be nice to voice control, because I definitely have some rock music playing while I'm riveting all of this, so that would be convenient, which I guess I would have to pair the speaker to my Bluetooth soundbar, but that should be easy enough. Okay, so the exhaust shroud is easy enough to rivet together, although these little rivets in the corner, if you missed it there, I have a little triangular tungsten bucking bar, which you saw there a few seconds ago. I got that from Cleveland Tool, so that was useful to get in the tiny little crevice there, because my 1.5-inch tungsten bucking bar is definitely not fitting in there. So if you're looking at a rivet and thinking, or in a tiny little space and thinking, how am I going to get in there? Go to Cleveland Tool, get that tiny little triangular tungsten bar. It's pretty useful, and I think it was like $60, so not as bad as the 1.5-inch bar, which I think was like $100 or something. Totally worth it. Made it easy. Okay, so this is going to be an epic fail here. After you rivet the exhaust shrouds to the forward bottom fuselage skins, it says that you need to seal up the where the two sides meet with the sealant, and apparently I used this 3 months ago because I went back and looked at the videos. and to try to figure out how old this was. And yeah, it's, I guess, 3 months old, and it's already garbage. So maybe I will take JT up on using some of his Pro Seal, because otherwise I'm going to have to order some kind of sealant from Aircraft Spruce. And that will take a whole day or 2 days, depending on when I order it, to get to me. So yeah, I'll have to figure out a solution. In the meantime, I could probably flip this back over and start working on the fuel lines, since I now have a permanent location for the fuel pump. Although I need to install the fixture into the firewall, which needs to be riveted to the bottom fuselage skins as well. So anyway, stay tuned for that. If you want to come chat about RVs or firewall sealant, come join our Slack group. The link is in the description, and I will see you there, and see you in the next video.